buli mulembe gukyuka n'enzimba nayo ekyuka. Kato Akura Construction Services Limited twakuguka nnyo mu kuzimba kwa buli kika okutuukagana n'omulembe. Tuzimba biodigester septic tank tezijjula ate ng'okuzimbibwa etwala ekifo kitono ddala ab'amaka, amasomero, amasinzizo, hotels n'ebifo ebirala. Mwetaaga kabuyonjo ekika kino mutambule n'omulembe. Tukola general construction okuba plan eza buli kika, okukola finishing, electrical installation, plumbing, okusiba tiles ne painting kw'ossa n'okusima enzizi eza buli kika. Tusangibwa Nateete ku Prime Village Mall level 2 room D7. Esimu noti 757 noti 54 noti noti oba noti 772 noti 9 21. Kato Akura Construction Services Limited, Zimba, Uganda.
We are flagging off a select group of Kiswahili cadres on a 7-day tour to Tanzania and Zanzibar with the core objective of interacting with the real Kiswahili environment. This guided tour shall enable our learners to come face to face with the native Kiswahili speakers, thereby impacting on their knowledge and proficiency of the Kiswahili language. What we are witnessing today is part of the process to systematically consolidate the mission that I, as the Minister of East African Community Affairs, together with my colleagues in government, have been nurturing to kickstart the Kiswahili program. As you may be aware, the East African Community Summit and the Council of Ministers passed a policy declaring Kiswahili as an official language in East Africa, alongside English, French, among others. The Cabinet would quickly follow suit by adopting the Kiswahili policy, which shall see the establishment of Kiswahili as a compulsory examinable subject. Our national Kiswahili policy targets both school children and the out-of-school population. My office, in partnership with the NRM Secretariat, launched this Kiswahili program last year on 13th September.
The first lot of our students who are undergoing a Kiswahili lesson, we started this at the Secretariat based on the guidance from the national chairman of the party that helped us to look at our ideology, our strategy, and our philosophy as a party. You know, within our key pillars of the party, we look at Pan-Africanism as part of what we believe and stand for. And Pan-Africanism is derived from the context of the African faith and African people. So within the East African Federation and the East African community, our president has been championing the federation, and it was incumbent upon the party to start this initiative to help Ugandans come to speed to what is happening in the region. We know, due to the challenges with the region, quite a number of our citizens were not getting jobs in the region effectively because they were challenged with communication. So as a party, we started this program to help promote and uplift the Kiswahili culture and Kiswahili language within our population and in the region. So I'm very excited and happy that the ministry, in the partnership with the NRM Secretariat, has reached this far, and today we are seeing the first lot of the students who are
inform the world that as of today, the class has grown to more than 700 learners who to converge at the NRM Secretariat headquarters every Wednesday and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 12 noon to learn Kiswahili. The Kiswahili program boasts a team of competent facilitators who have helped put together a comprehensive study curriculum for our learners. The teaching modules are organized to cover a study duration of 12 months, after which a learner will graduate with an academic certificate in Kiswahili language, certified by an accredited award institution. Most of our learners are now competently speak Swahili, and they are ready to go to the communities to teach other members of the public.